Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is answer a comment that I received on how to find site building creating tool. And the actual comment was, hello, can you explain to me how to change the currency on the site builder creating tool? So I assume somebody's come on over onto the demo site and they have selected a shopping cart template and obviously are looking to find where to change the currency. So what I'll do is I'll go over to this template here, which is this one here, and if we go over to the shop, and then when the shop is uploaded, you can go to shopping cart configuration, and if you scroll down, as you can see, you can change your country and your currency. There's lots of other things you can change down here, and also within this link you can look at your payment methods, your delivery, email messages, and shop on the home page. So I hope this video has been helpful, and if you've got any other comments about the actual site building creating tool, then please drop a comment and I'll do your video to answer what you are actually asking. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.